In this video I'm going to show you how to use baking soda to help your hair grow faster. Are you tired of chemical shampoos that ruin your hair? Do you want to find a special and natural remedy for your hair care? Then you should try this natural shampoo with baking soda to improve your hair growth and strengthen it. Almost everyone keeps baking soda in their kitchen. This common ingredient can be used for numerous purposes, including cleaning, cooking and other things. Also, baking soda has many therapeutic effects and health benefits. If you have tried using baking soda as a homemade natural mask to treat your skin, you must have noticed its wonderful effects. Baking soda is a perfect ingredient to use in preparing a natural remedy. Try it and it works wonders on damaged hair, and it will also help to reduce hair loss in the future. In order to see noticeable results, you should use this natural shampoo for 1 month. This video will show you how to use this effective remedy for hair treatment. But first, let's quickly look at the benefits of baking soda. Number 1, baking soda is an excellent scrub which exfoliates dead skin cells and stimulates blood circulation. As a result, your hair grows faster. Using this natural ingredient, you can remove hair dye or lighten your hair. It gives volume to your hair and makes your hair silky, shiny and long. Number 2, baking soda improves hair growth. Baking soda serves as a natural cleaner for your hair. It makes your hair healthy and soft and prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. Number 3, baking soda removes chemicals that may suppress hair growth. Baking soda can be a better cleaner for your hair than many shampoos, and it will cleanse the dirt from your hair, so it will help make your hair stronger and longer. Number 4, baking soda can remove chlorine. Chlorine can be damaging to your hair and it can even change its colour. But baking soda can remove chlorine from your scalp and hair, and it will prevent it causing any damage. Number 5, baking soda can remove hair product residue. In your hair there may be leftovers from your usual hair products, but baking soda can remove these. These include shampoos, conditioners and hairsprays that make your hair greasy. Baking soda can help you clean your hair in a natural way. It eliminates residue of hair products and improves your hair quality, so your hair will get a long-lasting shine. So how do you prepare a baking soda shampoo? We will need a box of baking soda, a bottle of apple cider vinegar and an empty squeeze bottle. Next, if you have short hair, you should mix 60 grams of baking soda with 1 glass of warm water. But if your hair is long, you should mix 120 grams of baking soda and 2 warm glasses of water. You can then put this inside the squeezy bottle and you can store it so you can use it every 3 days. And remember, when you put it in the squeezy bottle, give it a good shake to mix it up. Next, you're going to apply this remedy to your hair and leave it on for about 5 minutes. Then wash your hair carefully and use the apple cider vinegar mixed with warm water, that's about 50-50, and you can put in several drops of lavender essential oil to make it smell better. Using apple cider vinegar, it acts as a hair conditioner, nourishing your hair. However, please be careful because this mixture should not come into contact with your eyes or else it will sting. Make sure you use this mixture for at least 1 month, as your hair needs time to get used to this natural treatment and for you to see the benefits. This recipe will give you incredible results and you will get shiny, revitalized hair. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use baking soda as a shampoo for your hair. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 22 amazing benefits and beauty tips and life hacks for baking soda. Thanks for watching and bye for now.